Assalamualaikum dear students. I am your English teacher for class 4. Due to this pandemic situation, schools are closed again. We are providing you recorded lectures. Please listen to the lecture carefully, do your homework and submit it on time. Open your book, page number 80, chapter number 12, A Moonbeam Comes. जब चांदनी आती है. Now read this poem. Deep in the night, when all is still, a moonbeam climbs the windowsill. Over your bed, it softly flies, to see if sleep has closed your eyes. A pinch of gold, some fairy sand, is clasped within that moonbeam's hand, and if by chance you are not asleep, it comes tiptoe on gentle feet to touch your eyes with golden beams and take you to the land of dreams. Underline difficult words. Deep, gehrai. Night, raat. Moonbeam, चांदनी. Climbs, चढ़ना. Clasp, गले लगाना. Chance, मौका. Touch, छूना. Dreams, ख्वाब. Now I am explaining this poem in English. This poem is about moonbeam, the night from moon. In this poem, the poet says, at night, when the moon is shining in the sky, moonbeams enter the room through the open window. The moonbeam flies over you to see if sleep has made your eyes closed. If you are not sleeping, the moonbeam helps you to sleep. Gently it touches your eyes with its golden rays. It takes you to the land of dreams. Open your English text copy, mention date, draw a margin line and center line, mention chapter name, A Moonbeam Comes. Words, meanings. Moonbeam, चांदनी. Deep, गहरी, गहराई. Climb, चढ़ना. Night, रात. Chance, मौका. Touch, छूना. Clasp, गले लगाना. Turn your page, mention date. Question number 1. Why does the poet say a moonbeam climbs the windowsill? Answer is, the poet says so because at night when the moon is shining in the sky, moonbeams enter the room through the open window of the reader's room. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Complete your homework and submit it on coming Tuesday. Thank you.